Hey there, and welcome back to Review Scout, your trusted source for unbiased insights and powerful recommendations that actually help you make money and grow your creative game. Today, I'm about to reveal something that has completely blown me away. And if you create videos, run an online business, or have ever dreamed of producing jaw-dropping cinematic content without touching a camera or editing software, then stay glued to this review. Because what I'm about to share could be your golden ticket to the kind of video production power that was, until now, locked away for billion-dollar Hollywood studios. This is Flowy, the world's first app powered by Google's insanely advanced Flow AI technology that doesn't just create videos. It literally directs full film-level scenes for you. And the best part? You don't need to write scripts. You don't need to film. You don't need to edit. You just type a single sentence. And Flowy turns it into a full cinematic moment, complete with camera movements, lighting, natural dialogue, human-sounding voiceovers, background music, sound effects, transitions, and 4K rendering. All in seconds. It's like having James Cameron, a full Hollywood crew, and a production budget in the millions, but without actually doing any of the work. Now, before I dive deeper, let me be clear. This is not one of those basic slideshow video makers or timeline-dragging nightmares you may have tried before. This is built on the same top-secret Google Flow AI tech that was designed to replace Hollywood studios. This is the exact type of engine studios like Pixar and Disney have used for years behind the scenes. But Flowy has unlocked it for you and me. And once you see what it can do, you'll understand why I'm so hyped right now. Imagine being able to create million-dollar quality videos for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, affiliate offers, client ads, courses, short films, and even streaming-style miniseries. All by just typing a prompt. It's almost unfair to anyone still struggling with the old way. So here's how it works. Step 1, you type in what you want. It could be anything. A dramatic movie idea, a short reel concept, a product pitch, a heartfelt brand story. Even something as random as a detective in the rain finding a mysterious briefcase. You type it in. Step 2. Flowy's Flow AI instantly generates every element of that scene. The visuals, the camera movements, the dialogue between characters, realistic voiceovers in any accent or language you want, cinematic background music perfectly timed to the emotions of the scene, sound effects that make it feel alive, and Hollywood-grade transitions. Step 3. You simply download it. That's it. You've just created what would have cost thousands of dollars and weeks of production time. In seconds. Now here's where it gets really exciting. This isn't about generating random clips that look kind of cool, but don't actually connect. Flowy remembers your characters. It keeps them consistent across scenes. You can extend a moment, change camera angles, zoom in for dramatic effect, or even pivot to a whole new location, and your characters stay perfectly matched. This means you can build real stories, actual ongoing narratives, and professional quality videos that keep viewers hooked. That's why this is more than a video generator. It's a director in a box. Other tools give you fragments. Flowy gives you a complete cinematic experience. And if you've ever struggled with robotic AI voices, forget that nightmare. Flowy generates human-sounding, emotional dialogue that can sell, persuade, inspire, or even make people laugh. The voices breathe, they pause naturally, they carry emotion, whether it's a passionate sales pitch, a romantic confession, or a tense argument in a drama scene. And because Flowy supports every major language and accent, you can instantly create global-ready content. From Arabic to Spanish, Japanese to French, English and British or American tones. You name it, Flowy speaks it fluently. On top of that, you never have to search for music again. No more sifting through royalty-free tracks, worrying about licenses, or trying to find something that fits the mood. Flowy composes original, cinematic-grade scores for every scene on the fly. If your scene is intense, the music builds. If it's relaxed and inspirational, the soundtrack reflects that perfectly. And this all happens automatically. No dragging and dropping. No aligning audio tracks. The AI syncs everything seamlessly. And let's talk about editing, or rather, the lack of it. The one-click smart editor inside Flowy makes you feel like a genius filmmaker without touching a single editing timeline. No cutting, no splitting, no frustrating tutorials. The AI handles every transition, every scene sync, every audio level, every pacing choice with professional precision. It's like having a Hollywood editor living inside your browser. And because Flowy is 100% cloud-based, you don't need a fancy computer, a graphics card, or even software installations. You can literally do this from a basic laptop, or even your phone. Now, if you're wondering how you can make money with this, the possibilities are endless. You can create cinematic shorts for YouTube and monetize them. Sell story-based ads to agencies and brands. License ready-made video packs to local businesses. Build a faceless YouTube channel with serialized content. Sell your own streaming-style miniseries. Or even create training courses and visual presentations for clients. Every single video you make with Flowy is yours to sell, license, and profit from forever. This is digital real estate that keeps paying you over and over. And the craziest part? People are already making $3,000 to $12,000 a month from much less impressive AI video tools. The difference is their content is flat, robotic, and lacks cinematic quality. With Flowy, you have the emotional pull, the realism, the production value that can actually go viral, keep people watching longer, and get shared more. That means more engagement, more subscribers, and more sales. If you're a beginner, you'll finally be able to create content you're proud of without fear of looking amateur. If you're already a pro, you'll never want to go back to your old workflow because this makes everything faster and more impressive. And you're not locked into any subscription. Pay once, use it forever. No monthly fees. No API charges. No credit limits. Just unlimited video creation power at your fingertips. This is also a dream for anyone who doesn't want to show their face or be on camera. You stay completely invisible while Flowy does the show for you. It brings your ideas to life with realistic characters and voices, while you stay behind the scenes collecting the views and sales. The best creators aren't always the ones in front of the camera. Often they're invisible, but everywhere. And with Flowy, that can be you. Think about it. While everyone else is still filming and editing their one video for the week, you could have already uploaded 5 or 10. A sentence becomes a scene, 3 clicks become a channel, and 10 minutes becomes a launch. You are literally creating 10 times faster than anyone around you. Every frame Flowy creates is rendered in gorgeous Ultra HD 4K. It looks like you spent $50,000 on a professional production team. Every voice is natural. Every piece of music is perfectly matched. Every scene feels like it belongs in a Netflix show. And because it's powered by Google's Flow AI, the same technology stack that includes VO3, Imagen 4, and Gemini, the realism is mind-blowing. We're talking about scenes that feel alive, camera movements that feel human-controlled, and emotional depth that keeps viewers locked in. The prompt assistant inside Flowy is another game changer. Even if you have no creativity, it guides you to craft better inputs that lead to incredible outputs. So you don't have to be a writer. You don't have to know film terms. You don't even have to know what camera panning is. You just describe your idea in simple words, and the AI makes it cinematic magic. And here's the kicker. Flowy includes a full commercial license. That means you can sell unlimited videos to clients, agencies, brands, or anyone who needs cinematic content. You keep 100% of the profit. There are no hidden terms, no watermarks, no usage limits. You are essentially owning a virtual Hollywood studio without the massive overhead. On top of all that, you get a 30-day money-back guarantee. That means you can try Flowy completely risk-free. Create as much content as you want. Test it out on your audience. Pitch it to clients. See how fast you can scale your content output. And if for some reason you don't feel like it's worth way more than what you paid, you simply get your money back. I've been reviewing tools for a long time, and rarely do I see something that not only meets expectations, but smashes them into another dimension. Flowy is one of those rare gems. It's easy to use, ridiculously powerful, packed with monetization potential, and gives you a competitive advantage that almost feels unfair. Whether you want to dominate YouTube, go viral on TikTok, build a faceless brand, or simply offer high-end content creation services to paying clients, Flowy is a game changer. So here's what I recommend. Don't wait. The launch offer comes with a one-time low price and a free commercial license, but only for a short time. Once the timer hits 0, you might be looking at paying monthly just like every other overpriced AI video platform. Get in now while it's still a steal. The link is in the description below. Click it. Grab Flowy at the special launch price and start creating cinematic, money-making videos today. And as a bonus, if you grab it through my link, I'm going to send you my exclusive bundle of premium resources to help you skyrocket your content success. Just message me on Instagram at @AfterPurchase, and I'll send it right to you. This is a Review Scout signing off. Go create something amazing with Flowy. I'll see you in the next review.